get mad at me, but I ordered something from Chick-fil-A. I know you guys don't like me eating out, and I shouldn't have, because I have lunch. But I've been craving Chick-fil-A for such a long time. One of the workers looked at me and then looked down at my shoes because I'm wearing my work boots. It's like I'm dressed normal up here because there's a gym right next to the Chick-fil-A. So he probably thought I was coming from the gym because I wear these to the gym too. And they're for the gym. And he looked down at my boots. He was like, what the hell? Before I can eat my Chick-fil-A, I have to dump the pump wash because I'm coming from a job. Alright. I'll put my hair up just so I can eat without hairs in my mouth. But I'm gonna show you guys what I got. It's nothing special, but it's what I like. I'll have to turn the air that way because if not, my food's gonna get cold fast. So what I get, it's a regular schmegler spicy chicken sandwich. Really good. And I like to dip that in this sauce or the ranch. This is the sweet and spicy sriracha sauce. I dip it in this and also this ranch, and it's so good. And then I'd order fries. I like my fries with the Chick-fil-A sauce. And then for the drink, I like the Sunjoy, which is I think lemonade, half iced tea. And it's so good because it's not that sweet. It's like very watered down, which I like. I'm gonna show you guys my lunch bag. I just drank a cranberry juice. I have my pepino, I have a torta, lettuce, mayonnaise, tomatoes, and I have my water. And I promise I don't eat out every day. I at least try to be like, okay, I'll just eat out on Saturday or Sunday, you know? Not even Fridays. But again, I've been craving it. And the other day I got off at 7. I was like, I deserve Chick-fil-A. And I still didn't go because there was good food at home. It's a little chilly today. Good thing I brought my sweater. See, right here I have to be careful because my wheel can probably knock down a branch. So I might have to drop my axle a little bit. This is what they're pouring. And there's stairs so they want to dry. And then there's more in the back. When I was super little, I used to work at that restaurant with my mom. I remember I would just take the drinks and stuff. It was crazy. I was like, maybe, I don't know, but I have a picture. I'm gonna tell you guys the story of that restaurant. I used to work there, right, with my mom. My mom was the one that started working there at 13 years old. 13 years young.
I didn't get to finish my story, but basically my mom had worked at that restaurant for such a long time, and my mom used to take me working with her some days, and her boss didn't care either because, like I said, my mom had been there since she was 13 years young. So my mom had her regulars that would always come in, and they already knew her. And this guy in particular would come every week and he would literally sit down with me and color. We'd literally color for hours. I'm not even kidding you. And he even threw a little birthday party for me at the restaurant. Also, I had to watermark these pictures so that those people pretending to be me don't use them. My mom no longer works there, but the food was so good. I know they're under new management, so I'm not sure if it tastes the same. But luckily, I have my mom that could cook for me the same way she did back then. I'm at a new plant right now, and I'm looking at everyone get loaded up so I know what to do. Because I've never been here. I've never loaded from this company at all. Just a new plant, a new company. So I'm watching every step just so I'm not lost. For example, seeing where they get the water from, where the water hose is at, where they get their ticket, if they drop their axle, all of that stuff. And it's pretty entertaining. I don't know if I could film this, but I don't see any branding of where I'm at, of the plant I'm at. And all the trucks here are just FOBs, so they're their own owner-operated trucks. This is where you get loaded. One's already getting loaded. Where that yellow truck is where you wash out. And then this is where you wait. And that's the line of trucks waiting to get loaded. So that truck's gonna get loaded. That's my brother. Got an ice cream cone. That's what they call when they fill up your hopper. So this guy was telling me how he works at a shop where they refurbish old Broncos, like classic Broncos, and they had completed this one and they were moving it with a forklift and it fell over. And he was showing me pictures and I thought that was so crazy. I feel so bad. It's barely gonna be 6 in like 2 minutes, but they want me here at this job at 6. But everyone's still sleeping and the sun is barely coming up. They're not even ready. My view. I loaded up the last load, which is the 3rd load. Taking 7 yards. This job is literally 5 minutes away from the plant and I look like an egg. Oh my gosh. What's crazy too is that it's still 7 o'clock. I'm already taking the 3rd load before 8. And obviously it's because we started at 6, but still. Usually the 3rd load is being taken like at 9 because of traffic and everything. But it's just this job is literally 5 minutes away from the plant. They got pretty far with the second truck that was here, and now they're in the front yard. Look at this. My water hose is not supposed to look like this. So I have my hammer and I'm gonna hit it because no water is going through anymore.
think the hole is covered. The whole thing came off. I want to show you guys something, but don't judge me. This right here is all the buildup from slurry. Look how thick it is. And it builds up because that slurry that we pour the hopper, and then they have us waiting 10 minutes until we could pour into the hopper again. So over time it just builds up really thick. This is a before. I already started hitting it. So look at this. I did the whole bottom part of my chute. And this is the top part that I haven't done. That's all the buildup. And my chute is lighter now.
Fight!
Whoa, look at this. This is so bad. There's 7 trucks waiting right now. There's another one over there. 7 trucks and one's unloading. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That's horrible. Oh, it came out already. Whoa, they let me cut everyone. They let me cut in line because I have another job, and I thought I wasn't gonna make it, but they said nope, not today. So I'm gonna make it on time to my next job, which is good because I thought they were just gonna cancel me from going to that job, but I guess no one else could go, so they let me cut the 7 trucks. Isn't that crazy? I don't know what happened there. I think whoever was in charge of that job just ordered all of them at the same time, or maybe they all got here at the same time. I don't know what happened. It's not a bad thing. I mean, it kind of is, because then the material gets hot and dries up quicker. But anywho, that's not my problem. It's not my job. We were rentals for that job. That's what it's looking like today. I thought I was gonna get off early because of this job, but I guess not. I have my other job, so I'll probably end up getting off like at 5 now. It's 12, it's still early. But yeah, I'm gonna just skip forward to when I'm off. Let's see what time I get off. I'm gonna get off like at 5. Okay? It's 12 right now. See ya at 5.
I actually ended up getting off at 6:15. I don't know why it's in military time. And I didn't update the vlog because I was too tired, or I probably forgot.
I'm gonna show you guys what they're pouring. This is the side of the house, and this is probably one of the first few houses I see with gravel. That noise means they're starting. This area is so beautiful, but it's Newport Beach, so of course it's gonna be super expensive. So this parade is getting poured on Monday. Can you guess what warehouse I'm at? The other truck's here. They want me to wash out right here. So that's where I'm gonna wash out.